Then when I open up the doors in the morning, I got all these birds coming flying out at me. So, and today with that virus going on with the birds and everything like that, it's best to keep your coop free from any of the wild birds. The birds go up there and then they make nests, and then the baby birds get stuck back in there. So we're gonna cover this up with deer netting. So we're going to staple this up in the rafters and then bring it down to the sidewall. She keeps watching me. She snuck her head around the corner to see what we're doing. Then on the other side of the coop, this is where most all the birds go, back in here. And then what they do, they go in there, and then they come through that whole opening and to this side of the storage shed that I have. With the bird flu viruses and all that's going on with these birds and stuff, so we want to keep our flock protected. And that way when they come in, now they can't go up into those rafters and build their nest, have their babies, and then half the time the babies can't come out. And then they end up dying in there. So this is a way to protect your flock from wild birds coming into the coop.
There it is. All finished. No more wild birds can get up there and build a nest.